Hi everyone, and welcome to your Nanoby M1 3-channel dash cam installation guide. Don't worry, we'll walk you through setting up a front, interior, and rear camera step by step. Let's get started. First things first, double check your box to make sure you've got all the parts. Give a main camera and mount a quick once-over to ensure everything looks good. Now, peel off all the protective films. You'll find them on the screen: the front lens, the interior lens facing the cabin, and the rear camera lens. Keep those lenses clean. The front camera lens angle can be adjusted to get your perfect forward view. The interior camera lens also swivels to cover the cabin. Here's a handy feature. The mount base detaches from the adhesive part. This means you can easily pop the main camera body on and off without messing with the sticky pad stuck to your windshield. Great news! The 64GB memory card comes pre-installed inside the main camera unit, so that's one less thing to worry about. Alright, time to find the perfect spot for the main unit. Usually, right behind your rear view mirror on the windshield works best. Clean that spot thoroughly. Use a wet wipe first, then dry it completely with a tissue or cloth. You want it spotless. Grab the static cling film. Apply it firmly to that clean spot on the windshield. Why this film? It lets you reposition the dash cam, remove it, or even move it to another car later on, without leaving any sticky gunk on your glass. Next, take the main mount with the strong 3M adhesive pad. Peel off the protective backing from the sticky pad. Now, firmly press the mount base onto the static film you just applied. Important tip: apply good pressure and hold it down firmly for about 30 seconds. This really locks it in place securely. Mount secure. Now, adjust the front camera angle on the mount to frame the road perfectly ahead. Here's a handy feature. The mount base detaches from the adhesive part. This means you can easily pop the main camera body on and off without messing with the sticky pad stuck to your windshield. Now, let's tackle the rear camera. First, check it out. It rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can point it exactly where you need it. Important: this rear camera is designed for inside your car only. We recommend mounting it high up, centered on your rear windshield. Clean that spot well with a tissue or cloth. Peel off the backing from the rear camera's 3M sticker, then press it firmly onto the clean spot. Crucial tip: make sure the camera's stand, the part attached to the glass, is pointing upward. If it's upside down, your rear video will be upside down too. Time to run the rear camera cable. Start at the rear camera. Carefully tuck the cable along the top edge of your headliner, ceiling liner, heading towards the front of the car. You'll guide it along the pillars. 1. From the rear, it will go past the C pillar, the rearmost pillar. 2. Then along the B pillar, the middle pillar, usually where the front seat belt is. Tuck the cable inside the B pillar trim if possible, or neatly along it. 3. Connect the rear camera cable plug to the dedicated port on the main front camera unit. Make sure it's plugged in all the way, a good, firm push, so the front unit can receive the rear camera signal properly. Now, for power. Plug the Type-C end of the main power cable into the port on your main dash cam unit. Tuck the main power cable up along the top edge of your windshield liner, headliner, then down the A pillar on the driver's or passenger side. Hide it neatly within the trim or along the edge. Plug the other end of the power cable into your car's 12V power socket, like the cigarette lighter. Okay, moment of truth. Start your car's engine. The M1 dash cam will power on automatically.
SD card.
It will likely prompt you to format the memory card right away. Simply press the OK button on the screen. The camera will handle the formatting itself and then start recording automatically. By default, the screen will show a split view of all 3 cameras, front, inside, and rear. Want to see just one view? Just tap the down direction button once to cycle through. Front view only, interior view only, and rear view only. To connect your phone, you'll need to turn on the camera's Wi-Fi. Press and hold the up direction button for a few seconds. This activates the 5.8G Wi-Fi hotspot. Then, find the camera's Wi-Fi network on your phone and connect. Long press the up button again to turn the Wi-Fi off when you're done. The default password is 12345678. 12345678. What's the M1 doing? It's recording your drive from all 3 angles. If you connect with your phone, you can see live video feeds. Plus, GPS information, like your location and speed, if equipped and enabled, is recorded and saved with the videos, which you can view later on your phone or computer. Important to remember, the M1 does not need your phone or Wi-Fi to record. As long as it's plugged in and your car is on, it's automatically recording everything from all 3 cameras and saving it safely to the memory card. You only need Wi-Fi if you want live view, to change settings or download clips. And that's it. Your Nanoby M1 3-channel dash cam is all set up. Drive safely and enjoy the peace of mind.